How to get more vitamin D from the How to get more vitamin D from the
The sun is one of the best sources of vitamin D for the human body.
The sun is one of the best sources of vitamin D for the human body.
The sun is your best source of vitamin D. Vitamin D from sunlight, healthy body.
Sunlight is great source of vitamin D.
Sunlight is great source of vitamin D.
Seven benefits of vitamin D. Sunlight is great source of vitamin D.
Inflammation. Reduces autoimmunity, improves brain's function, reduce cancer cell growth, improves immunity, enhances mood and sleep, reduces risk of heart disease.
Hello, guys, thanks for watching my videos. Like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to press bell icon. There will be more Islamic and informative videos. Ilmkashahartv.